Ayan na adofo. Meda wase. Se mwasa nya mobre ni modachi. Esa beka me ho me nyina ya kasa. Me chacha mu nyina ebiem. Adehye. Na mgidi se bolebo na nanmunti asumdwie nko abone nim. Na me nuanom. Me se ene me nya message wen pakon mi sam say is that your car? And I'm saying, yeah, color. Yeah, filter. Yeah, filter. Yeah, color. Na, Papa na efe no story na jemai. To be a it saddens my heart. Se opportunity se wono. Yes, se be only any source of information about history, even about his own identity. Always hey. Abra na who so ka abakwa seven. Abra no use a source of Menchia archives. Nananum to mini nsuo ni abosumi le di madanse ese. Mini even access to Menchia archives. For so many years me call Ghana. Menchia archives mini baby kura wo. Mini baby kura wo. Nananum madanse ese. Mini abakwa se book biala wo me ho. Nananum di madanse. Nsuo ni abosumi mini bibia wo me ho. I don't have any minishe. Me more Bibles, more Quran, and then me wo chi bookwa. Na me de making kind is as na me pe words am de be di atem se wonim se adwe ni adade. Me to chi bookwa awo modin. Me menyo awo modin wo inside. Na me nuanom papa yi yetie na semokan.
Yamobibia Jomobibia Kwaba, the African history and Sabri Mum Hay. Ono de Ototwa Yampia, Mikasa or the Bay Namunyade. Now, so yen African history and heritage TV there. Isan say, Yetra DNT, once you be able to be on Mabia, a teacher for the SSA in Yabotre.
I think it's I think senyor name because we skip the kakra. Name of me on no, kind of funny. And I mean, is on it, and obli, obi boy. HSA. Papa, too disrespectful and too arrogant. Papa have adopted a spirit of lies, a spirit of greediness, and enviness. Ebra was shasien. He was thinking, say, and nam so obri ye boa, and nam se lawyer obri boahe, and a chance, an opportunity. Emma, a lot of dignities around Asante Kingdom respected. And into also by Babontene, I be the same thing. Naka in Brazil. Eti wodena FM station call hineba a man opportunity. Obasi call nyansapo a man opportunity. Onam ha onam ha. Now ye according to a picture bia any a 3 minutes video bia misakai. Otumfo Abuja. Papa we akọ so pese okotia yinwura ena ya man kwan. Ebia ososo osiki ya visitation ya man kwan. Na niantia papa yi initial agenda ni nyina bepemene no anya adwumode asesa ne se. Ensem no anu wo kan nyina no. There was a lot of sugar coating in so many of them na ornality. Na otumfo enam honhom ni sikadwenti. Enipa bi te se papa yi oma omo men. It is not even easy. Enye easy. Se otumfo a human being like you. Ebetimi go closer to him. Ene nyame hadom. Ena sebi enya do sebi brawo. Ye nimpotimi hunu ye wura. Abra otia pakan mu ni etimi ben no. Anase abra wo twa mu ni eti otime baba na ye ne na kochia baabi na bia luckily wo chia mpanifo bi no atere wonsa na abeto wodem. nanka nya sadia kemra ne kwanya bi ni ho neso so ene eye nhira bi enam sikadwa so na abo bibi so ama ye nyina nsaka bi enti so opportunity no mom ye hwehwem ye yo entie no
na se eso ebema menu ya ba bi oye bono ni aye friend mama ba presentation we e come on pa bi say ubisa question bi a me say sa presentation we ya no
oh you are you see I told you say this man is not an historian or you're all part of the agenda the initial agenda no enyedwuma now he was trying to pinch in to mention no the edidi and I said pinch in to get a certain information and anyi today you see a man of his stature can sit on his own bedroom or whatever it is. Etia mama ba, a girl. Ya wati a net TikTok is so dim penning for them to penning for. I am not better, but at least no man is saying I am a bit mannered. I see one. O more dear or some cassia on communion. What missing penning for tiame? Girl, wait me the tiame at them. So I am not surprised to say. Who kase asida we nko mama ba na video we is made for her and I'm the cost you issue here. I am not surprised because now all of you Nina Najima Badu in one WhatsApp group which I have a lot of information about all of you. Now that when the time is right munyina mbenya mo cup of tea and gwase na hyase e munketo all of you are disgrace and poor mo boy ye Ejira mu jina ye. Ene birebi ye mam won watachiman. Now let me remind you of this. Papa, ye nim sa wo de oka won mo ho. Na no kra wotena wo YouTube page so. Obi a comment in the comment no ka kire wo say na anasa friend say historian ajeman. Say ye, wow be kan we ene de o sa ka te foforo. Is it the way historian trofo Otumfo me comment wa yasi ubie wano a wudi onipako na temo a o ka che se o dwene se kan mi be disrespect adwuma bedu na o ka se me be asha kire bonfo sa o kwa okudua no wani kwa okudua Mr. Adima historian so what me disrespect a dignified supreme king like this What makes you think say me feel any empathy say me disrespect you back? No way. There is no obstacle being ho say answer say me disrespect you. But the only thing yeah be me disrespect you to that highest level. Aye me tete ye. Any me shame me you done grave. Yeah, mean disrespecting no. Eti I will take that as an honor. Na me the amount. Papa, what's so kwa kudua no? Sama wasante se muhia. Na waje mabedu no so nana. Me de me kofe no ai kofi mensa. Esa se e de tira konya so ya ma ne din. Ya ne din ene ajima bedu. Eti mebo me de mama nananom. Any sabi any dia mensuo ni abosom wo wasase no so say natna konya so amanidin such a person what meeting ho say wo akudua no sama wasante se muhia na say woni mama ba na din komo so you wouldn't be surprised me so men make such a comment a man at your age say wo akudua no ma wasante se muhia na dia nso na najima bedu ade na waka akere wo say ma de na ehia wase ma udwini musemu hia wana ana wase ma udoma asemu hia because as far as I'm concerned we do not have a tribe called Bono, we do not have a kingdom called Bono, but we have a people that once upon a time migrated from Asubia Santimaso and resettled our baby and their friend Manso and a year before ye 1475 1479 betu share almost so mind you Wo mwa dia sire obia. Uwie, what's our first or 2 4? Say Kudian or your warlord. What ya say? And Tokogra. Say or your warlord and Tokogra sana ukai or commence say. Now, Papa, if no anything at all, you were disgraced to adulthood. You are disgraced to an old man. You are disgraced to a gray hair. Or you are disgraced to a gray hair. Such a person. Thank God you are not even my father. Okay.
Say, Sunyane, ahem, you and the ho. You know, not something as a Sunyaya, dear. And the war with Mavia Kudu, I can say, Sunyaya, Diamo, Onoya. Oh, many about Mamma, Amofidia, Domani Bamofidia, William Mestro P. As Sunyai, I am Yunia, and your Hennebaco, and Oha. Yenana, Wayan Cocoa, Otosumino, or German sign, Wayan Cocoa, Otosumino. Lawyer Niveka said me hold the brief for him. Or non one he names it, or yet or mine Eukuma.
What is security? Wow! How could people strive so hard for recognition? How could people struggle so hard for identification? You already have one. More Asante for. So what are you struggling and striving for? I'll say, Menya ba mama ba. Measure video no. What say? Obia him from you know what I sunyai. No mubia umbeti mi akase sunyai Asante hene diano. Or no be sunyai hene. When did you become a nominator for Sunya's Stews? When did you have a say about Sunyai's 2 matters? And when did you have interest about who becomes a paramount king in Sunyai? When did you realize, say you have to fight for Sunyai land? When does that start to happen? This is funny. It's getting interesting. Very, very interesting. It will encourage you almost say, Sunyai or him you ho. Or him back open the ho. Yeah, you were Gia Hoko boy and Coco, and the Yohine, it was Sunyai. Oh, I see. I never knew that. Oh, thank you very much. But let me remind you, Papa, sometimes I felt so disgraced. Sir, Asantis are explaining themselves all the time to you people. We are trying to make wisdom with you people. But it seems the kind of understanding and the kind of mind and the kind of reasoning you have, there is no way we can reason together. Because we are 2 worlds apart. We are 2 minds apart, 2 reasoning apart. We contain 2 knowledge apart. Which basically, the kind of your reasoning and knowledge you have is way below the kind of IQ sentimental we have. This is the difference between yay and the moon. That bay na Sunyai enkonyasem beye mama ba ni video meki se obia obeti mi akase Sunyasa asinyo otum for that idea no ono beye here. When did Sunyas to becomes a bargain on a TikTok video? When? So you are showing her. You are showing her said nothing like that. Bibi ante say AC because Sunya wa hene nana boy koko. Let me tell you. It's impressive enough. Very impressive. Say we have reached our customs, our traditions, our norms to this extent. So that every empty vessel can sit anywhere and makes a cream out the wishes. Papa, Sunyai assassin. Se wo upeo. Se wo umpeo. Biologically belongs to Asante people. Biologically belongs to Asante people. There is no royal entity, and as a royal person or Sunyai. ya wo ne wo ye busua anaso connected to your so-called imaginable ebono. They belongs to Uncrophobia you hate so much. The land belongs to Uncrophobia you disgust. Let me tell you, Yadukrobi be a capital city in a certain region. It does not automatically be and as a possess a different identity. It breaks my heart. Some penny for pa betima betna bontain to assure a certain girl on the social media range, insulting elders, insulting kings, insulting chiefs, insulting president, attacking a lion, everything. You sat there to assure her. Say, Anne, Bibi saying, see, Papa, are you for real? Where is your dignity? You once upon a time have a dignity when you were speaking the truth. But now, look at you. You've lost all your dignity. And now your thought of reasoning is gone. I don't understand why. Yet, yeah.
Yeah. More research, Brano. Yade, near Ibinya, and answer near ever to a tea for him. Not a tea for so at it. Sunyain, Ngumia Sem Nase, or so far no dear. When it be anyhow, did it be anyhow, to be a man of Commantonium, sending an anano, one for a teacher Sunyain, my manai feno, and yadi I did nipping jimping genuine Tim Wase, ever say Sunya mine.
Okay, point of collection. Sunyai one, and your brufo. Second, and your brufo na teach Sunyai. Sunyai. A capital, a regional capital. He ubenya da gomba fo ubenya mamprisi fo, ubenya sesala fo, asante fo, and achiche grono, vewu ho. Ubenya obia timubi, grafo obiatim, so it's a regional capital. Etinya brofo na achiche kro. Sebonim kro chichera, kamo chichire doma ho kanai. Sebonim kro achichera, doma ho, kabepimne. Nyafe na most starving for development. Kamo teacher ho long time ago. Papa, ebi also o say there is peace in befana say Sunyai. E kwa be so na peace wo Sunyai. Is that what you call peace? Abra na najima bedu involving no with other people traditional matters because of quote unquote just essential position as a broad regional president, regional House of Chiefs president in T. This guy is involving himself in every traditional matters, escalating issues, and creating division, and creating toka, and I him from you no see BBNC. Oba him as in any. Oba him as or minutes soon. Phantom for them. Whatever it is. And now. Esi ahefo jasi kontre twafo onu so asi wormo hene ye oje ahoho na ayibu ayenkoko eye de na abeka sasumbio abra ohine yon oba ahema asi no onu oba ahema ete na himfi a oba ahema di ni bebda picture na mabontene osi asumbio hene. Papa, do you know peace? When there is peace, there is understanding. When there is peace, there is a mutual respect. When there is peace, there's always cordial relationship, peace in a way. Anyway, let's go.
Nama ati fono obia enya binti na obia nyade ini so emfaso na producer asem no a medeba na no emsenti ase anya adwumanti yebesa na timbio na yense bre no yenko ahomanso na yenkotie asema ye na obribo ahe okaye
social media me mpesa mesa me mra kan bi ada no am say problem ni say obribo ahe akọ ayi odefo German san bohin kokko me wan hwa ode no bebe kwa asante nsem hunu So now for from a come look some if you are daft and dumb. So you am for blind cocono, only young man quentua, but from a coma. Ben me a pani a dudonina, and a buffo, Baba Concranzam. Ben the Kwaman people fought and defeated them in Amakum. Yes. And a mama come for no, a shetian, a binkoya tachimentia, a binkoya dujama, a binkoya sugane, a binkoya a commissaire domase, a binkoya docron quanta, a binko unkranza. Bebre the shetia. Kwaman people fought and defeated them. Those 32 also fought and defeated them.
Brits born before 1980 with no life insurance may be eligible for this. So if you
defeated them. Those 32 also fought and defeated them.
I do for Sema, Yena no Bruboy Kai. And now, my latest presentation, because or no one is statement, no wakam, paying Emma Mate. And based on the statement of Canis Abrino, and I'm the judge, because previously, or can say, Kobiaman Fuman Piotia Kente, who bring a boa. South one be a bayer qua my him for no, na asante mai, or say to two, and a day asante by. Maintenance say, and because, or say to do nada for become for a bep or boa. Mase mampon su tebia ben kukufu no ano meeting abaye no cancer or senti na yeshie because abre na danger for no dibeso nti be boa ba no na bakoto a she danger so enti o senti na yeshie o senti ni akan ho abom no beye o senti na beye asante for eno na ya cancer na ye na asante for enti asante man no the name asante no de o si to jam the table. And no dear, Yenana, Briboy, what can sape mamate, and also a no great do. Nasa and the tear there may take it on, or no amasema or kai, or so qua mindful. And the Kuntia Makumfo and a Makufo Ebaha. What I say, qua minds on not or say to do my. Or say to do by no best son, Dean Quamano ye the Kumase. Into say to do the bay the first Kumase in it. It is a Quamine for and the Cotu share a Macumfoso and a ma don't be a baha, na bebe transfer hadia. Not just say, Sabra Bebano na Sante Mae. That
Yo.
My
Neti Adam catch us about Pawi Wabon. Last week, I think Sebebe responded to this same discussion. I'm raising a point to even lawyer Obri Yeboah. Eka say, Amukum and sebi kwa mine and kontokwa. Debi, nemum akonya mwasem ne baye. Akonya ho asem ene baye na abra konya no ho asem baye no de ma wanchin mu firi ho no eye migration abra na nanya akusika okọ ye bese ofridom passe na ne nkrofo obi owontafo na bi bese kotena bia ya ne yefe no panyini no kotena amokom ne ba twumpanyini ne ba nyankomago wonum so eye various migration ebi ko okugwa ebi ko asante agona and ebi ko nti wanchifo no wo migrate right from amokom and e ba ho wasa manfifo and ye kakra bet ye hasunyane a abra boanya kokko akonya no ebeto no na boanya kokko sa pedie ye bi na akosabre so and e bae eti wanya konya no ene oni ni nua banyama wono ba no na efe ne sei kwantwa wonka ho wono nko ne bai ene abusua aye omo da let line Yom ye nipa bese 300 and mobile. E chire ansa no mkofa kwanchua. Kwanchua nye amokomini. Kwanchua onya amokomini. Na ho asem anu de edanchai. Ena wonum ebetena sebi tanoso. Wono baye no bia ye omudi kan betena tanoso. Enti enye kwa mai ena niya mokom kunye ena masunya firi ho. So that statement from the obri bua obri bua was not like that. And interpretation no crown also is totally rajiman woman. It is totally shameful. As I say, presumably, me ma wo me ba, and I say, sebi miniano. Samena wokun na magreti. Still a miniano. It does not have any effect. And to kwa nipa no obi kono have no effect with bloodline, with relationship, with settlement, with anything. And as a historian, nakase womu ekon yansa na asante bebentia na omo nya asante fo. Me wanso wa adimete se nkro ni wo ho ansa na ye be ya asante man wo adimete. So where is the sense of reasoning? Those who grow now on they are relatives. One moja, one mumia. They are one people. The identity and the bloodline are the same line. So what are you referring to? Bibienwa, it makes sense. The same thing and the see ye. Nana, a friend say, I do the nableso. Akunya some. Akunya wa pedia. And the do no freedom come. Sable na sadi ni si. Eti migration bebre ya. Eni pa bebre migrate na ye nkonya sem. Ena ma wonum eso kwatichiro no kuro. Ye nkoso bio.
Yeah. Na chese binti mi kasebe ya samfo. Me argument na sana perception. So obetie ne audio ni ya. O se kwa mindful ne koto she beso. E chire no se tutu so eto she binum so e na bebae. Na chese binum di kambae. Ansana binum eba. Baby di come by another beba na be yasan for because that
eba power or make any kind of sense. Jabbing and kasa wo and ne baby a fun political Santa region. Jabbing ne what trying when he has anti akopen. Nkranza, this is how it is. And you know mama kra wo woman, mammy or woman. Woman me and unta for me no create me. Emma sebi ebi akoni mu no na we yatu afrifie akotre bia asokwa akoha na da ho because of onini mi akon. But that does not change the bloodline said they are from one mother. It does not change the identity said they are from this location. This is their migration, this is their settlement. What is this man talking about? What is the sense of reasoning? So quote unquote, what do you want to be? I just me pasa me tell point to crop person making us because Ubusame, as a person with a deep reasoner, me feel so shameful. I want you okay. Why are you Anna Monia big person who create microphones over your bono? Are the money hiding me? I'm not by Brunana. Why are you falsely claiming people? Initially, Namo say, ye never the bono. Bessie said that you are claiming themselves for it. Muntitum so move you want to buy. But Muntitum Sabro no buy no. Ni and fair dear Santinentos and Tomia Santifo. Wow! Why disgraced? Hey, desperation penny. Yo, Mama Cosembe Muno Macada saw me a bonofon. Ko na sinfusu, a sinfusu, or central really. Kono Kobusa sinfusu abakosem, obekacho say, Ea Santifo. Obekacho say, Ya Santifo, ye fila crochare. Na mimi yani ya brenka sinya mieni, mimi yani ya ija wotek. Besene, eko efene say, besene eko agrenye krum. Obeka se mi ya santini na bako se mu. Eji sunyai na wukremu ni se ofiri hone emfa santimeter so no. Yeah, lies and distortions no. Me pese bi busa say, sunyai ka na bako se ma ebunu be mu ana. Or connected to any of you. any of your imaginable ebron and as connected to baby crona person just on free one or connected to na bako semunina nena nanumudin na ono connected to you were so shameful you were more fuma santifa more fuma santifa fa ni different baby ebe ko bia we your identification is different eti mo fum ye fa ye nipa dua yesu ye ban a different from moi mugudomano. Haven't you realized it?
It's just argumenta, number advancing.
Guys, this could change everything. If you financed a car between 2007 and 2024, you could be due a refund.
Advancing. No. Get you for Mutiemi. More access here and no blue boy. This statement of Kai. Now, fan to me explanation. Mede Ameon. Say, distort history. No.
Okay. Says here, Millian, Pato. Uro hapa entina era pepe it's a if you grab chromia maybe sound same way just be reasonable unyan men nana bi osu unyan me no nyina na tia mokum ye nyina ye mamba ko papa bako ye nyina didi apotowi abakum ye nyina ya konwa eya konwa koro ana woni me yakon ana sentokwa sie kurom tokwa sie kurom no me free kurom akwatna be foforo e ba chawo esa se me free kurom tokwa nti me free kurom akwatna be foforo nti no enye me nua no bi mu ana me free abusu ani mu ana me free that side ho ana me nua no na so nti that side ho ana me busuafo na so ni that side ho ana sabi me nananom ono mo chichiri nkuro anya ho no mo chichiri free ba ya ana this man I'm very sorry but forgive me. Senseless scenario. Very senseless. Wow. Desperation, Penny.
You say history one will me need to that history and Namakusia will invest.
Hey! Ogoshia history will invest. Oh, baby. If you pay it, no. Oh, go share you see the working at university. You should be working. And Ghana's university. Ghana's university, watch ready mo. Hey. Let's all watch more scholar. Hey, papa. Me mark okra 5 okra me man 5. Wow. You should more indeed university.
Me need to
Hey, na who need to dear Ben waka. Can you and I mark kwa menshia? Now to me kosa. Na nanu ano mo 1821. Na a browning in a baby ya santi up to date. Na nanu makofo a muslimi fo baaye ma onu man kasa be ko ma bakosem sa brema muslimi fo twere 1821 sa bakosem no na wo mo no mo no they know better na nei yetimi do obi si akoya no onu akoya ro pelisem wow wo jatro wo ma bakosem
na mi no.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I can see beer. Okay. Now before then,
why?
You really see.
What?
Say
tomorrow.
Oh, you can.
Wow.
Now corporate. Now called naturalize or say Canada or say US. Now called naturalize or say oh you who near. Obagana or so on your Ghana need you.
Hey! Jesus Christ. What say? More motu kwana, more sempo. Also say naturalization. Na say ye new admit so munye native. Naturalization. Obi a one naturalizing wo kro bia so nye native. So native no your birthright. Native no a entitlement, a your ownership, a traceable. native no eye root be a butimi root no and I say wotimi eye we akwa chire so wo historian ni or say so obi ko Canada na o naturalize wo Canada se wontu oba Ghana wontimi nkasa o Ghana ni bi yet oba Ghana okọ ne maame ho oba Ghana okọ ne papa ho oba Ghana ne nuanom wo ho oba Ghana okọ na busuafie oba Ghana okọ ne kurom oba Ghana odi no aduane oba Ghana oka ne kasa. So what is this man talking about? Naturalization. And naturalization do not qualify someone so be entitled was native. It na what ya say sunyai for mona mo for so o naturalize o mo so o me bonofo ana because what confirm say obi ko Canada no naturalization do not give a guarantee to birthright. Ya will be your friend a native. And krakwa ye kra ye wo mo okromi ha no they are not natives. And kra ye sheda wo on ma brochire no a wo ma naturalize na automatically o me ya British for no they are not native. What do you mean from English for me? We don't call them English. So entitling your group was say black British, Caribbean British. Actually, say technology. Baby was free no and you identify British yeah. Papa, where did you learn your kind of ideology from? Who gives you that knowledge? Huh? So now you begin to understand. Say, naturalization is there and it do not qualify someone as a birthright. It is sunyai or yasantini. Because sunyai can abako sembian connecting in naturalization. Obi oti kromi ha British no. Oti mika say, and I mean na dobi. Asha siya ye ne maame ne nana. And ukradia all migrants. You're from a migrant. They cannot be entitled as natives. And you ukura British buko, ukura Canada buko, ukura American buko. You are just obia. You so you permanent residency. To one naturalize you ho. Ya ukura one book be. Ya access of education be o mutimi yebia. But when it come to birthright, say akonya bi, asasi bi, ejapade bi ho. You are not entitled to go so kopre or be if you ejapade so free ho. So I will say na wabu hu for. Also feel so you smart, but you don't know I wouldn't bibia. Naturalization, of course, which I agree with you. But natives gives you the roots, the migration, the land, the stool, the settlement, the names, and everything. Watch naturalization wunye bi Obi ntimi nka so English ni, but obi ntimi nka so British ni. Obi ntimi nka so Scottish ni. Obi ntimi nka so Welsh ni. Eti obi afre nyina British. Migrant and naturalize okromi nyina British for. One way wo mo okromi o me tuntum nyina British for, but they are not English. Neither Welsh or neither Scottish. And nadi ana obi afan mankuni. No. Papa, siadi wate. Siadi. Siadi. No abon.
Enti se obi mpo fra asante mani na se oba ha obetra bono mani no ka se ma naturalize ya. O naturalize bono esse oti ase. Sa so na
Naturalize bro. But what identity video? Naturalize bro indeed. Hey! Naturalize bro. So now you are the mate says so be kure fra santimemu. So now you believe so be fra santimemu. Now for your geology understanding no or man naturalize it as a bono. It may you mugu hey. How did you classify them? Ya one more how call man naturalize you. Ya wo omo ti say sebi sunyai wo ni sunyai ya won bono. Ya wo ni sunyai. Sunyai this year is sunyai for. Eti kwa be no mo fa so naturalize it bono. It's a what identity is a bono. I just want to understand. Ebi also me manu a me de ma wo mo ha no. Mr. Historian Ajman. Identity be na de be ma be from English fo ana. Is it possible? Because ka English ni a or native. Me ba no almost still classify them as British, as black British, and not Caribbean British. Eti, how did you classify me man na ma wo mo ano? Because you cannot call them English. Eti woni mu say o man naturalize as a bono, ba o mo nya brofo. Now you admit it. But mo na motena ho na mu kremu. E na kan fo yin, e na de wa admit it. Say wo mo free, so mo mpofra asante memu a. Ni abetna bruno ya wo mu bruno. And the bruno, I want you to explain. What is a bruno? Is it a political section of a bruno? Yeah, but 3rd of April 1959. Anna say, a state and a bruno manso, a crow. No more crow be penny if you crow ketuano. What does not cover anywhere? A bruno wahe and no man naturalizing. Let me know. And now we can bone champion association, which arises from 1951 by Nana Kwachamia, and Nipa 9 and a new woman. What's a bruno? Tell me what section of a bruno and a sunya for naturalizing, yeah. I just want you to tell me. Which part of the bruno? Eti, and now what him ya jatu? Sa sunya for same pomu frasantia. No, my better bruno man naturalizing as a bruno. Oh, man naturalizing as a bruno indeed. Wow. So now you believe it, said the Asantis. But because of the demographical area, yeah, wo so-called believe we say how you bruno region. It was so be a bruni. Educational illiterates. Professor illiterates. Yes. What's what masters, but you are more than illiterate. Annexation by political Obi Kwame Nkrumah is an individual. Oni asase. Ontimi nchasase. Ontimi many identity. And weaving with the law. You heard the 3rd of April 1959. Ukohe ebuno a hafu bell. Was say this region is creating by the administration purposes. They created it with the administrative purposes. It is within the law. And no nene ye kachire ye busa wanchi hinu. Sa bra ubedi ade no ko so ai chire. Ko tan kokuma se hinu kro na hoka de bisa so ko so a chire kuma se hene. O se de bi na ebun ani ahafo aba. O mo se de bi. Ebun ne hafo is just for administrative purposes. E ho nyina is part of Asante Kingdom. Papa Mobi sorry sesi and compete do ma akonya. Ye be he baby e be ende. Enum dwane bragging. Mobi ni pa from sorry and compete do ma akonya no. Or this ye be sorry compete do ma akonya baby e be ende. Ni ye he baby a long last case ni na ba be ende. After going Supreme Court everything. Na ye nhwe se ye mo otumfo di wo mu. Ye mo asantema di wo mu. Ye mo baby akonya ne hye ne di wo mu. You are bragging on internet, giving the false information. Etienne, what admit it? Say naturalization. Sunya naturalization. Oh, Sunya naturalization. Bono. And yet now come to be that. Hey, historian indeed. We are talking about history. We are talking about genealogy. We are talking about migration. We are talking about family. We are talking about relationship. We are talking about, as to say, successions. And we are here talking about Obisa Sunyafo have naturalized a bono. Good God me. Wow. Wow. Sabrofune dear papa. Who wouldn't read the power? Now, in fact, here can't educational literature. We are number 1. What could schools wouldn't be? Wow.
Asante ya wo. Ejafo wo no so akotam ye bekenka no ha. What you say? Aba naturalize it. Adansa. No de ye ka. Ojitum. No, be so free as Santi no.
You see, this man is it will be an a memorable. Oko Asante Mua. Obie ni wa oye mo sinia. Obeka se me mo sini na meti Asante Mua san beka. Hey, I didn't cast mo sini and mo Asante for my body and nobody would do that. Me ya prudentia yet me Asante. Woko atwoma tachimai. Tachimai ni efen tachi. And the babet na oye bofo no ba yewe. Look at how honest Asante people. Look at how lovely Asante people. They put the tachimai in his name. Atwoma tachimai and give him a land to settle on. Emma nasasi manetena so. But look at this people's situation. Brekum ya Asante ni oya sokoli ni. Nimiere na wofanu mu nyina egu asokare. Be brekum ko bie na no kasa oya Asante ni a. Na moba sa denti na oso oya Asante ni. Yet wukọ agrekenzema. Ezima fuo ye omu ba no musisi adan omukuro no. Ye wo atwuma danchira. Danchira fuo ekuro ukọ atwuma. Danchira fuo nko an edom kogu atwuma. Ya ahemfo what the atwuma elia ahemfo baby obi etimi tenase e kana bakwasem freely e wa Asante memu. So ye nananom efidenchira ye nananom fia nso Asante de pienwa. Obesori akasa de ntina okase ye Asante fo na akasa o nananom fidenchira. But these people lack of knowledge my people perish. Until sesa de ntina nkranza all bun region no so ya Asante ni. Enne otumfo ahimfie ya bom fante hene ya wote ho. Okwa mfante no muka. Typical mfante eno muka. Mosi hene wo ho. Gonja hene wo ho. Obia yedin na identity na ato ne so. Eso pape, don't compare your useless agenda to Asante people. They are too unique. And they are not like you. They do not want people to misplace their identity. So one do identity to so. And now conk and crafan anwanaga ye do duaton oboso. Ye would equal you over through or new wood village. First dear why ho. Identification. Would you want casa would say that when yaka now when in yaka. And ne woko ayi a friend say what be identity than so. O be identity than so was Asante memo. Eti, nobody even want to ask because yeti di na ne atem identity. Yeti di no ane hum identity. And never say ko ye friend say anwara fanti no ta. Wo bedwiri honom anwara ga ene fanti no makabom no wote ho. They put the identity. Asante, God bless Asante mine. Asante person obasa kure bi ebe wo no sa ho no. Ohun identity, ohun ni birthright. Uko Mosi lie, Zongo lie, uko Dagomba lie, Gonja lie, ni nyina nkrofo ye didi weto so for them to know their identity, to know their birthright, to know where they comes from. Bamodie, a word masini ko kaso ya Asante ni ase hey. And a word na bad that Jimmy na fa ko sia ha. It want to the birthright and Asante is far unique than you. Asante is far advanced. Asante is far organized. They do not intimidate anyone. And who kon bebre so ko bebre so ahemfo beka o mabakosem say ye free ha ye free danchira. He na say ta fo hina o kana sem. O say ye free danchira nearby. O say Asante because adenti make us free danchira. Na na duba ofra chima abu akwa achima bua kwa yamfo hene ho na onom na so mu nyina afra dase ko obi ante ohun so obi e wa Asante memu asore ai ena na dibma oye betray ya pa ena oye sell out ena ogina ha no se ofra achima bua kwa ohun so obi akabida ha and also Asante bi asore adentina yakasa grenkizima because we believe in diversity. We believe in unity. We believe in extensions. We believe in components. We believe inequality, Asante is far advanced. They are too intelligent and too loving kind of people. Obi ono kwa what identity of Asante, musumo monka. Better not to date. Koya gregin the mind, koya and was any kurun. Achumata chima ho, ye won't crow baby, ye need identify what and crofuko ye, our Asante mem. So, Papa, do not compare your useless agenda with Asante people because they are far fairness person or people I've ever, even my entire life, met. Da ben na mentra ha, enkasa me proud and chrada, da be ya. Onsa Santini be, I ya Sante for onso bi akabia chemda. Da ben na mentra ha, enkan chere bi nwa Sante for se me di atime buakwa. Oda Achimda, me do wakonya, me na nanya tifa. Because they believe the system of clan, of familyhood, blood. And you na de be masanti bomu ye kese.
Problem. William, susu onwe. What you say?
Okasa okabibia amudrama.
Niem pese etifo eti ansana mako akenkan sem no eso ne se mama be misro bebre ma wa komanto yam Sante hine ntimi nkase sunya yere dia sunya potemu ha
Asante ntimi kase sunya yere eso Asante ne waka Asante ya kase sunya ne dia Asante hine and go and rule the Dusu Mahama. Yes, 1986. Abera ye sunya capital ye sunya no was a word masiase. Sunya e wo dukro kontre e wo wodu mase. Ya wonu nyina hye kontre division mu e wo bantema e wo kontre division faku. Sunya oye odikro ebera beto ga na sunya chiro homa e de koma Rollins. Some Rollins, Emma Bosunyai, and my hen. Rollins ye be a say, or betty me, Abosunyai, and my hen. Now, my young ye, it told me yesterday. Ombe shad gruntia, run crater mu ye bibia. To the ye in answer, what a committee. Ye for the Drus Mahama committee. Ye 1986. It is I saw. Now, what take committee new committee in she more ye in say. Rollins ain't me more than could in my hand. I just said, Asante hina tia sie, and said what me a boss a sound crony my hand. Sabreno, na Sante na no pokuare, or catachie papa bi, ben many monyam for, on a na or tear just so, tisic just so. It drew some mature huma, I do command his supreme imperial royal majesty, or tomb for. Opokuare say nana I am say a huma me trabe odi nya bone na emum me trabra besra wakonya na wa ma me akonya e wo nkuro bia wonom obono ahafo region no na yetimi abo se nkuro no ya gaseti wo mo ama se nkuro na timi akọ Ebon Regional House of Chief akọ participate asa equalize ocho homa ndukoma otumfo na pokuare no otumfo na pokuare responde say reason we stati ye enti na atworo homa ne dia ene mate for say ombo be representing no mo be equalize mate enkura obo bebidin ye basa dumase na e wo kase dumase basa ejeji me say ko mi hu boda ejedi Sunyai enkro mako 24 mako 24 ena otumfo pokuare emma Kwame Gazette wo which is Sunya was part Ebon Regional House of Chief ena wana say Sunya anyi otumbo de wana to wo ana oji ahoho eyi na nabo ankoko ana Sunya hema mie na no nka bi mie we why na say why wano na naji your friend say Mr. Ajima story wano ana mama ba ana de oje awoho bo ankokọ betena bonten kan no na se ka onsura ko bodin esa se ewura se sunya ne dia enti ko kasa ka o se ka ono ye be mamu ko kasa sunya anya otumfo de ya ka enya be ma bi ma ba bontena na obekasa asem no ana se ka ewura kan ye no na ka ye contempt se mo de kokot ni ave who is who? Do you have a land? Ajima the historian, did your family even have a land? Huh? Why you busy? Kusunyai, who is one possession ni? Why you busy? What two for Canada also two for Diminka? You will be on what was or two for Diminkas. She will be on what you hold, so or two for Diminkas sunyai. Ah, or so are there above. Or two for Waka, Sasunyai Nedia. What counts what Diminka? Huh? Sana moti wohine ekwotena yebru sana na ha media na am that's what timinye wumpa na ha media da bia oka eso so ye judge o oni mamra no so ntimi to na mo bia mfa ho ana na ha media ontimi na ha media ontimi no ana you are just kidding as a little people sitting on the praying ground praying on a mud huh? Kidding everywhere. Nana hair media and Nana hair media. Yet there isn't any action. Yeah, moment me take it. Wow, what is stopping you? Huh? Mommy insanity crana. Mesa. What's agro for with it? I don't know. Maybe because of
any assassin or ha. Now, what can say? Sunya a dia, and dear no be Motia, Mama Puntomu.
Ah, now what I can say? I said, I think the assassin. What I say, and grow forward. In fact, social media is very misleading. Very, very sad. Sepani Mutisa. Even the Chimasasi, as I'm taking it. Nana Amiao, Quachamia the 10. Court, what does Antique call West African Court? OD4. Or no quite in the Sassy 80 pe 8. Chiabodomnia de, or the court, or the Basico Privy Council, England, OD4. 1 out here. Ah, war. 1 out the assassin. War. Ah, now. I just say a wow, my son, na would you not the chabu tuti, papa? A wow, no, now de casa anyway. Nakawa Sebi, I know ye, you do me. As I'm taking a sip buno, a buno is nina media. What's it say when you ask us what? There's all casa something in the packetoa. Well, but trouble tia catiope. Is that what you think? I bet I wouldn't need na so. I bet I wouldn't need ni oka. Yene bibi e fere bunu wiase. Abro maso, eyo kro. Yene bunu as a tribe, yene bunu as a kingdom. Eko nyina ya Asante territories.
No nya se ye nana oja mansampo akoko. Mprimpri oye sunya mind no. Obe answer sa question no. They see how you black. Me African, me a black man. Who here some country ni person me black man. Who here some country Bruni some me black man.
You see this man analogy. We have a lot of black people. You can identify them as black, but they are not black because even the black race, there is so much dimension in the black race. Oh, Dominican for a year. They are all black, but in a different race altogether. And they are blacks or mere Caribbeans. You cannot identify them. What type of black? You are African blacks or you are American blacks or you are Dominican blacks or Brazil or blacks or. So basically, not all blacks and all Broniba identify as a black. They will ask you, are you African? Are you Caribbean? Are you Dominican? Are you Brazilian? They will ask you the kind of black are possessing if free. And it's Obroni who's a black and just Obroni is all blacks are from Africa. Okay? Because they have brained than what you think. Mona muni brain. Anyway.
Motor finance lenders, brokers, secret commissions, £1 billion scam.
Metia da denina.
Sa, ena ade no ete. Eti sunya man na eda ho no. Enye boahen koko, ye nana boahen koko.
Agenda ne ba.
Ono nko a masifo.
Yeah, bade.
Anane dom and the constitute.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Davida.
Hey.
Sunya ohe ekwamu group.
There's a Obeka group, Obeka woman now country no so better again guy and one Abeka.
But just be free danger. And I will better see Jimu. Flew over Sabien Ekufu Ashanti region. And I will migrate to Baha and if you will be a free by. But be deep in Kumo Kumia was Sumia hands so be free danger, be danger for what I said. Chafo, a Kumia, or be deep Chafo Kumia. Sumia Chafo Kumiano, bear the mafo. I'll be free about number 4. So I'll be deep Chafo Kumia. Kuntira Kumia. Nana Bofutia, Nasefo, very big Kuntria Kumia. Beso na be yatim fo na be kobo be ho bia ewo komu nti komu na be free ya be ba ha na mofutia anoye ha oba ha enti nya bakumfo nko a ene chichire suya aman no obi atra ho aka ye na na obi boy wa aka se nya bakumfo na be chichire nya bakumfo na be chichire kane no se ne yesitie ne se amamfo etutu bata na pa no kobo ba bia esan se kane na ye kojensa sinti domu nyina timhia we ne nipa free denchira na aba we so ne nipa free akom na aba we so ne nipa free asantumamu e na be hia ye be hia tete no na ahemfo no dodo no aya abofo e na tete nso na ye kojensa ase. Enti sometimes be share before one jene pa no a utim tutu ekumwa dodo no.
Jesus.
Na ye nim se o ye soja ni. Enti no ye tim ka se o sa bofu e di anim. Se be yo na atamfo bi ba o bituma
Jesus Christ.
Na je se ye de se nipa no a ode nipa ku ba ko bia no agina ho se o ye bi nyina be panyini.
Ha, ebre bi kontre sunya konte ebe tena bontene ebe kinkai ehome bi wa bontene na sa home abra nana osumin krawe oho no ena omotwro sa ehome na fritete kontre fuyi aye bibia ombetim bia pese onom ye omo se sunya enchechire omune nana boy kokko ana chechire na me oji amansan ana oji ahoho nana boy kokko me unya masem because sebi enya do sebi abraw akwara wo koja ho a na atwe no wo kwa ja no na ja ne ntu unya masem nyemum ne mpesa mkacha wona se hweye papa na wan hweye na wanye nieme fata na men crofo tena bontene with selfish interest kan so nananom they told, they built, they suffered, they died and omo de akekira asase no ene bia ba wo yesi edi bibia be capital city first regional capital amu abedi so hene now then the wuti wonna nananom anya no for saa enti hweye so omo obi akwa mo sese sunya abakosem na kwese kontrefo kan sunya chechere obi because this is what they've tried so many years so mbeka and also atara bontin o catch us on sunya hene eti wasasa sunya abakosem munye very careful is as the kura wonu nim na ahwera obeye mobo ya ngo kura mawiase akaye sunya na bo enkoko na chichi ni sunya anya woni continue for na chichire no ka se omo di bonkum akonya o ka kire wo so onum firi bia ye fe no doma aboabo number 1 me ma homework ko e ni pakro mo ye next week brabe ka kire me kona ko hebusua kora doma ho asantefo kura gu doma ho nyi kuma doma ekro ni na me besa wa wukọ na ko aboabo number 1 fo no ekuro mu fidi mu yo mba be chichiro mu kuro ho e besa wukọ na yanko back bio na bo enkokọ mi si so Pacific de achiro se na bo enkokọ ni nua ba nyama ye won free amokom Kumase Asante Memu ena wonum eba ye ebe tichiri wonum kuro na asa na boy kokko ba no wonum tena bia ye fe ne tano so na boy kokko tena tano so wonu ne ma tano enso tano jidin ama otumfo o se tuhunu ye na boy kokko ja tano bosom ade ma ni wura na boy kokko ja ma ni wura o ja mo otumfo se tu na boy kokko saba na nim betena be bi e fe na sankraso asankraso ho otena hwa betena kubre ena na kodwa tempem yo free denchera wono so ne nkrofo akonwa yamfa ama wonum eno so ho adane ya no mudi be pie ho eti won ba woje wonum tena ho onu nyina na kodumase na boy kokko se firi ho na boy kokko ebesene kwotena abisim na boy kokko etena abisim akopem se enkrofo ye from enne akomfo ye omfresu ya santemaso yo amkotena mkom second generation fuyi ombeto na boy kokko wa abisim sabre nimu ye ko nyamre wawo na boy kokko besire kwa santema nyamre wawo ni bi na boy kokko wiye no oba ye na omhu ahudwan wo firi abisim ena obetena ba bi efe no asundwaye ehon na ye fe no obofutia bofutia enfiri atimabu akwa wokaso bi firi atimabu akwa what do you mean bofutia efiri adanse kokobiante ne nananom omu firi adanse kokobiante omu ya asonafo omu ofa ene atimabu akwa hene omu nyina panyin no na wono so betena bia ye fe ho akom obu firi akom betena kumasi asafo ari school no ho no betena he wono ne wofa ye fe no kodwo betse ena rebete omo de di kan ni suntressfo ne omo kwotena do mai ekun kane na bofuti akoye na boy kokko wachichi ni kuru o ma ne ba bi tran na asa aka se eto bia mu nyina mu kohia ekuro num hwa ana asase no so na mu nyina mu ye hwa eye hayo a de otimi ekum mu akase no ena etimi di ne si hene se ena edi so papa minim ba bi kura wo firi minim so ya kan ni a ena minim pa ba bi abunya wo abakosem firi kane no nananum enkuro bebro mo chechede ye no bebre na ye adidie hu entokwa no bebre ya hayo ebi wo ha okọ hayo no anu wayera oyera wantimi ma no wachi bio kane so okọ hayo a nya ngo na okọ na wabọ na kura ho afei ebinum so kọ ha no mo hwe na sase no ensuo oso bia oso no makofo mo busia no mo da ba betena ho eti abusia di ka ba techere ba bi no sa abusia no ene di hwa de omo di ka bae beto brebia situation ni timi sesa de ma situation ni sesa ni abusia bi wo ha na nya omo na di kan na so bi omo kokon esihye bi ba se mo makonye yen na mo medi yeso ti na o makokon na o makodu onmo so ena esihye ni bi osunie se bia na abusia na omo di ade no eto na bia na omo ni ade hye anase bia omo asitimi hye na won ma sire fie foforo mu se omu ni ade ma won eno so timi eye ho na aka se de oni ma bo okum kase no panimu ti sa oya kani panimu ti sa oya kani ya se mi oto wa waka
ya ye ne hene
eti sa enkrata no e no ridi ye na hu hia no kra enkrata no a kontre hine no Ebetra bonti be wudi na wo continue no. Media free ba ko mienu. Etoso miensa enim guase abegye no. Wo sunya continue. Obietimi kremu sunya asase. Abusua bia na obetimi akremu sunya asase. Sunya asase eyase nefo omabusua ejapade.
Inhabited land. Bia na obiante oba bia kun sono. Na nabo futia no kun sono no aye bia no. Eho na nana wahenkoko. Oni na damfo bofutia a ono so efiri akwam no ha ene bae.
Nana boyenkoko na damfo ne bofutia. Na nya na damfo ana wonfira kom. Nana bofutia wonfira kom ne bae. Ne nana no momfira kom. Wonu nyina efira danse kokobiante. Ana omutu omu ofa ani atemabu akwahene. Ana onu kwatana kwam. Asakumasi asafo. Kumasi asafo no mufiri. Ana ombesene ahayo na dinu kopi ho. Okoto na nabo enkoko sa nabo enkoko te ho. Okoto no. Nyese wona na danfo, nya na danfo no no. Enye na danfo no no.
Kobo mesese. Ena beto ho asungaye.
Obwa nana bo enkoko sebi enyaado sebi abra. Nana bofutia maaye no. Okon hayo dada. Odwa ne sono dada. Omudwa nsono no a. Na sebi enyaado sebi abra. Womo de ekosomo no wura asante hene. Titu ne podua ne memmen ena ne bahoma. Eti papa wo bua de oka nyina anya no kore. Asema oka nyina no kore biele nim. Na de ekoso eya bakosem ti hunsunso aso ebeba wo so. Kanyina o twatro.
Yonkoso e. Ose Mr. Jan maintains that after the Abimoro War, in which Nana Boyenkoko was said to have fought on the side of the Golden Stool, he moved from Asantro Nsuyano to settle permanently near the river on the land.
Wait. Now, Papa, on kind of correct. Nana Boyenkoko nye Asantini so otimi ko munu wo. Nana Boyenkoko ko munu wo. You see, I've been telling you this people. Say you have to be careful. A munro no tell a baby and a fa hafi. Wonunti ene bo kontire fa kuo wo menhia. Na abrasante ko okon ana obesi akiri be sa ajapade ene nipa. Ena asante ba no muti no no muti no. Sa tab na ote ahafo. Ena asante ko ene akofo ekomu no ne nkrofo pam wonu firi ho awomfo firi ho. Ena asante edi ho. Asante hene di ho no nyina ede ma ne nkrofo. To obi a beba bia na o ma ba bia tan. Obi a beba bia na o ma ba bia tan. Na nabo enkoko okọ emunu ntokwa. But what is what nya santini? What's akase? He fought in the side of the Golden Stool. Okuma sikega. Onwo bi onya santini okuma sikega da. Nana. Wo hu obi a onya santini a okuma sikega da. Sikega eya santima japade. Santini bia wo what dey your priority say? Ube kwa bo sikega ho man. Ena na bo enkoko ye. Nana bo enkoko one would dear boy, Asantrophy. What ya sankraso? Asankraso. Asantrophy. What ye coffee? Meja hifiba. Meja hifiba la papei. Oma. Oma wakazaka se musalo. Se Asantrophy. Hey!
Killed the elephant and named his hamlet Asunjaye. That is a place where elephant has been killed and freed. Or say, Nana Bofutia.
Hey!
Or no. Or by no. Or free. Tanosono. Or Obetra in Central Suano.
Hey, Nana Bofitia. Nana Boy Ofita no so. Obetra Sankra so. Obetra Kubre. Oba Bisim. And Oba Sunyai. Hey. Etitu no mo school for no mo twara bakwasem. Mo hye da koya bakwasem mo school. Wo abetie papa wo benya zero akukoti. Zero kakaka pa na ebe manke bi ko ni hwe. Wow. Asante. No, I didn't hear ya.
Na ho na babia na nabofutia okun sono no. Ono nana
Papa, we nyina me kire wade o. Minim se etobi akasa na o peke mwes ni bebere. Me sua me kire wade. Na sua, bro ho ase na sua.
ha de e asundwae if you say ha na nabofutia otuntuo no okun sono. Di ha e asundwae. Ati
I didn't hear ya.
Enti na nabofutia ono ne dom beso be free akwamu baaye nana
Omufra asafo.
wa henkokwa ono so ne dom
Ofrasa ofri kumasi asafo.
be free amakum baaye bene bebe chicha
Omi nana bo akokokwa da chichi ne kuru.
nani
Nana bo akokko ni nyama ne wo fa asefo ni nwia ma no. No mo go fa wo no ankasa hu nipa ko ntwe wa baaye. Onum nyina mokomfo. Nana bofitia na obaye no. Oba na nana bo ankokwa chichi ne kuru. Ono so firi kumase asafo. Arebete konyo bete no wo fa ase no. Kumase asafo no firi. Kumase asafo. Wow. Asantrofi indeed.
okun so na babia otoye bedwa no ono ne nana bofutia
Hey! Yeah, Tunya this year. Monzo de o. Enne. O se nam se me. Me na baye me dia. Obejo mambofo no waku ne ba o. Onso wasi yinku no. Onso wasi yinku no. Onso opono bibia. Bofutia no wose bofutia ne nana bo ankokọ na na bofutia bom na tutu no. Na okum so no no sesuru dwaye. Papa, God will punish you. Why are you twisting things? When you country for no amu kasa. Pesa mu yam hu se. Kumase tesa ade chinkonya kura no na 1960 mu ye. Kwaje CBPST ye. 1960 the same thing a country for kwaje CBPST ye. What do you want? Hey. Munya very careful. Musunyafo. Titiru ne mu ade hye.
nana bofutia na busuafo ene disunyan country modika achirem se kane no nana no mutu bata from
Kade metimi anya asere wona me nya kwan.
Mix bottle A with bottle B, put on those cheap plastic gloves.
you no free bobby sam amakom ni paade nanso mampon ye bretu fo saa so na sumja ye bia na beso no bia de dane man what you say adanse fo so e ka ho bi enti nipa bako enchechire man
Ame wazaji atu ze nipa wako njechere mai. Wazaji atu. Nipa bako njechere mai. Ena doma obi enyen ni no. Abra gunafo na chechere asase. Nipa bako njechere mai. Ena doma ena okosumo mu nyina yebianafo. Abra sumafo asase omoto dwini ayi minemefo asase omekotifo. Libinine ayi efene say ayi korongo fo na net ho. Echi ampani pa ba ko njechere mai. Na modie mu kuro mu ho mu nyina mu yebianafo yi. Wo papa no ware ya wo mu wa no ma asade mu nyia madana. Aden na mu kuro mu hodoma no. Ene suma obia ebianani. Wo hia drobu ni obeka so ebianani because ne hina ebianani. Echi we just want to know. Na mo de mo no wa na chichire mo ma no. What a shameful scenario.
Odia ni mu ono ye be friends e bi akofa bare ana se odikanfo na no nche se ono kwa na chechire nti wo se na nabokutia a ono firi komu no ho abaaye na obehia madamfo amombo ayen kokko
na na bu no wan
ne be chichiri sungai
baba we ba he
ya behia de a ene na namakum wa ofre makum baaye wo na obedi dom na nim na
there's a or ma try every possible means but so mo de kontre hye sunyan abakosem bi hwe yemfa ho ne yekoso bia iwiase wa de wo no na ese ye we ya mo de ye krim kekara mu krimi kontrefo enka sunyan abakosem ho e wo mu se o mu ka si ahenefo ho na so ye ka won mo di adehia konya eyesebi na abo ekokọ ne nasefo bieni kwantwa ena afense bosomefo eniti na abo ekokọ ne nkrofo ye pese ye ka kire prenye premfa se won mo ka tunyan adehie abakosem won position mu pele no ene edi ama won adena papa penmu ti se wo bo mai bokuro utwa tro sa ade
anaso futine eye ofutia enti besinde boahin kokko ono na busua no di sunya akunda na na bofutia so na busua no beli bedi country akunda achi na domafo binum so ebe ka ho
domafo ho amu
so beli
Mongo hey abo for mongo hey be mfi na meka nche why
sana Sunya state na etie enti Sunya state no eye frefre kobo from idea
Sunya state nya kro frefre kobo e wade hie di ade e ka frefre kobo ne se ebusua bia ese konwa no obi atimi di bi ye ka konya eda de hie fie a eye ade sidwa eye de na frefre kobo akonya bia kokro bia so a ubo se bia ne bonkum no ofiri ha nifa ne enkyere frefre kobo ezasa akonya na mu beto ye ade hie na edi enti ede na frefre kobo papa ada ye bon ana se enyini akonya beto wa ede ade hie na edi usi frefre kobo hey amenya abona ade asa
untimi nkase santini ntimi nkase boahin kokko na busuafo be firi amakom ne baye ndi no haye na sase
wa kase wose na boy kokko wo kwa omunro entokwa ama yeje ahafo firi e fere say ye konka ahafo asante konka ahafo no wosi na boy kokko koy wokokoma ntikedwa wa wonu masemu here ana woka yakura je wose wokokoma ntikedwa okrata na nakenga no etra wo say na boy kokko know where he comes from. He know where his protection belong. Enunti na bro discover tanon. What the tanon man will say to no. Eti baba, what na bro? You do not have an identity. Who be na so mpe? We ya santini, munyina mo ya santefo. You do not have an identity. You are claiming a false identity. And you are claiming a false history. You are making up histories to suit your agenda. But yes, so, Obonse, I lost bebre. I will agenda nim because you are committing yourself simply because you name history. Okay.
Send MD kankai. Nipa no tubata ko babi na se uko naturalize ya. Now you punia. What does it? Babi a free no there. Uchi ayo.
Hey, anie. Mu aman naturalize wa America nyina. Muni mame wa Ghana biem. Muni papa wa Ghana biem. Muni nyama wa Ghana biem. Muni nyama wa Ghana biem. Muni nkro wa Ghana biem. Akonya ofie na beta wonti mepre. O mame wa asase mepre bi. O papa was a semi me pribi, a japadi of fear me pribi, is as a mochi aira. Mochi airo. Hey, the my historian. Hey, the my historian. The madama. Etimu amwa kana day. Ede nyamu di eni bi. Aye kutu zebam. Nyamu di eni bi o. Am fremo. Aye kutu zebam. Hey. Uwa Switzerland. Uwa Australia. Uwa Canada. Uwa America. Uwa England ha. Anasa uwa Britain ha. Nase sebi. Won naturalize ji British books ya. Watch ya ira o. Member Ghana bio. Many ba uni mami wog. Uni papa. Uni nana. Uni wafa. Uni asase. Uni bibi hai watch ya ira. Watch ya ira kra ha. Hey. Mesi watch ya ira mema. Hey. So good to say ba. Hey. Desperation people group penny. I won't say happy there. Or more expose or more. And crofui ya santifo. And crofui ya santifo. And yes, so me ya santifo say. Said you almost shot CSA I santi confederacy. I know after your more who say ye. And there also more history and what the two of was say. And go for a baby by Santa Kingdom by any. Bad naturally by a bro for Betty. It wouldn't now America. No one naturalizes American. She ye no magana obi when you're gonna need what ya Wuni mame, wuni papa, waja ukuno hoa o hero high. Tinting o mawagana wuni ma what ya said by history like the doma history. Hey, Charlie, not be so. This is wahala.
Oh, what example? Ghana ha cry we no. Obeko border point bi. E wo ye German ho. Ye wo kwam se kru no wo Ghana. Ena abusua baako nipa kro no na chichiri kwan se kru no. Wasan ko chichiri kwasra no na kudi vo. Be ye abusua baako. E ye abusua baako. Kru baako. Ba kwasra no fo no ma kudi vo no. Be frebe ho Ivorians. Be ye kudi vo afo be ye Ghana fo.
So example bi oye. Ose kwase krom na ekwase ba kwa kudi Africus ba kwa be Ghana. Womo nkodi Africus no mo from Africus for. Womo omabi di Ghana from Ghana for. You see, we are talking about family. What jitum so mu ye nipa ba akofo. But because of no desperation, the destitute recognition I wope. Atima bedo so called to elevate him. And it's your friend Baku Avorian Baku Ghanaian, dear. That means the Avorian no only do I Ghanaian in here. Yet you'll be surprised say yes, yeah. The whole Africa no be bad the whole Ghana no abe way ye or baby soon na bako semu or betcha say and crop for na ewa hey one also Ghana no be the same thing. Just recently in Suta Okoba wole Omo adishia penny Baku we. Ensuta hine na kwatena yimpa so koye yi oba wele Africus. Ensuta hine na kwatena yimpa so koye yi wa Africus. Esa se onu firi ensuta. Eti papa yi bibi koswa na. Eti says ye unu yako Canada na woko UK. Do not dare. Esa se from UK. And your also Canada. Do not dare so be kasa umiana no. Do not dare so be kasa umame ba na ni frebusia ba. Sote. Say by student ajimai. Wow. Hey, was he even do be abusia?
Be on no free but be some amakum ni we so every akwamu no na ba ba chichire be man e wa.
Hey.
Enti wontumi nka se So ofri amakom di no oye santini.
Wow.
Oye sunrani. Eso wa batwi. Ni
Africa was also onye amokomni o. Africa was also sunyani. Hey. In fact,
ne man wo sunran asase so a odi ni kuya babi obechichire no eye bono fo asase so nti ojetum se oye bono ni
ebunu fo asase so ne wanhene. Ade, ebunu fo asase so ne sunyan. When did Sunya becomes a ebunu fo asase so? When did the history and the story and the narrative begin to change? When? Is it say water down or Canada? Now you be taught dying Australia. Do not dare cast a uniano. What? And now you be to Tonsu. Now so what? A Sunyania. Do not dare cast a uniano. What? It's as a any uniano or Tisunyano. What the Brunfo Bass as oh to a brody. Wow, what amok as I insano. But as and for Bass as 2 years. When did the narrative begin to change? When? When did the history begin to diverge? When did the interpretation begin to suit one purpose? Sunyai have never had any connection with Bruno. Sunyai have never had any narrative connected with Bruno. Sunyai have nothing as such connected with Bruno. So when did Sunyai become a Bruno? When? When? I just want to understand because I am totally lost. I'm confused. I'm lost in the jungle. I don't know what is going on. I swear to God.
it's as simple as that.
Koso Papa.
Ose
Koso.
Brits born before 1980 with no life
And you want to
insurance
me
may be eligible for this. So if you...
Koso Papa.
Ose a wapani nephew of the Bantmahene was living as Sekitia in the Kwachuma area during that period. When the Bantmastu became vacant, he was sent for to fill the vacancy. On his way back home from Sekitia, he, a Wapanin, came across Antipem at Odumase. A Wapanin, therefore, entrusted his sick brother, Bosompe, to him, Nana Antipem at Odumase, to undergo medical treatment. Some of the followers of the Bantmahene elect, that is Nana Awua, were left behind to take care of him, Nana Bosompe. Entino,
Hey, Charlie. Charlie. My speechless. It's answer. Nana, we opinion. We bantimeni. Be baby buy. Nini pedisika huja. Good to ton. Satam no so. Na bia ye fe ho no buja ama no. Na good dwa no koso pa. Itiamana na ewa panyini. Nina yire nom ekote jama ho. Eye sika dwa ho odwuma nya sika be ye wodefo nya sika pi. Abro no mo ba no. Na busia na doso too much. No masia tre. Akonya ne so aba betom no wo fa wu ye wo so no ne kodi ade bantima. Na kanena na ntese ne. Efie na sisisi we na ebi nsisi ho. Eyinkura na na ye bobo. Ene mpata. Ti wono pa no. Esase die kanena obi enkyere ba bia na hie ho. Ene onum so kwosue bia ya. kubiri ne form si baby edumase no wo wo ne dumase no atempem ekobo animu na baby mu no enna nana asa osajma prempe ebo wo dumase ma hene enna odumase ye friend atempem dumase edi no edi atempem dumase atempem dumase forecast wo no mpre esan se ewo dumase fo ye bosom twefo akonwa no ewo dumase akoye fa no bosom twe akonwa omo beto wo no so omo te ho etiema akọ tribunal sa tam no na native law na ba akọ tribunal no na omo ye ne se de sade e ba se motena bedwemu a ewo dumase betena nimu obetena se na odumase betena atempem dumase betena se na ewo dumase atena se afen so eba tax se ye gigi ni nyina no a eye wo dumase na beji tax ni nyina na benchie mu se mu behia mu nyina behia wo atempem dumase and omo yes ancient to so they live cordially to each other omo nyina ka santema ho na de kosi ye se 1900 abra betesefo no ye tisikidwa no koche bare na won mo pesikidwa no dendende na ma na fra no wa ya sabi sabra no yo ofenso hema oni ni nwie kuma ya no ye besiase ba panyini ye fe de asantoa onu mienu sore se omoni akwasi buni e de beboso sabre ni mo ya asantoa wo ba kope enkrofo bi fe chiri kwa metweafo o munye ba kope ti kwa metwea da bia mo mu do do so bebere satam na kodwo chire na kodwo chire sore ye so beko adaya omo se enkrofo bi abo mo ho ano sa santefo ni bi abo mo ho ano ye kuro mo fere segiam sunya na sa na abo fere segiam omo abo mo ho ano wo segiam adania omo ne ye beko na yase woni pa wodi mu akoten pa eye kodwo akire ya wacheche ye nkrofo bi na wato amane de abrese se yesi ebesore ti asantemai na yesi ba be haye asantefo a sata ba uduma se no nyina na ekasa yo ene yeso ye be kire won nyansa to kwano course a ya santo asoranda because omu yusu ya santo aba no se ya santo asoranda abrofo no be kire ba no ama obeye Charles ti ya santo asoranda omu ye no mu ba bi o hye because omu teso wa ha omu be kono no ho ene na kodwo kire na duma so hene sunyan omaboabo asrafo na no mo so kufiri hoba eti numu ena omo hwe sede na omo abrofo yi tormenting nkrofo o ba bia na omo fo sagiam ye sunyan tormenting nkrofo ho ene odumase ene ewodumase ne birekum all because omo pe nana kodwo kirachem omo fo ha yesi woni ho na ne omo sei omo de ja eja to owodumase mu hye ne dwara ben ene bi to dumase mu hye ndrobin ene wo so wanu na yebonfo papa hwamo na yebonfo ema kire na nakodwo kire ya sabe na oyodumase hene wo hwe ade a na ekoso a ye ohun si asanto asasorande no asante man with a pride in him osorande ma abrofo no omochi no on the 6th of November 1900 90 and now omode asam court ka che ne se wono na sunyan dumase birekum krofoi no mabo mo ho de akode achichi ye nkrofo pepra omo se ye pese ye be fasikedwa o ya sante makra eti asam ne koye no na omkobu anu kunfo on the 26th of November 1900 and na omo hange na nakodwo kire na nakodwo kire or say this is what a man supposed to do nana papa wo wa betra bonten se emoja na gu ye na ekoma tikedwa no enkrofo yinim ye biological relations enkrofo yinim ye biological migration na dia wo say ye bibia beto ebono averaging from 3rd of April 1959 to me ebono for aren't you ashamed of you by false identity na because I won say bono champem na say muni nipa na wo de achapem asante fo kro ya na mu kremu ye de achapem no I thought you have the men I thought you had the woman. Asante Vokoya na mo claim ye. So all these people are Asantes, typical Asantes, original Asantes, native Asantes, biological Asantes, genetically Asantes. They are pure Asantes. Yan Crofowi from the 3rd April 1959, claim them by force to be born. What the hell? All those places are for Asante people. I am speechless. I am speechless. Say, cancer of a word was in the Dumasi account. I don't blame you. Me blame you or Dumasi Himano Unim Hute. You don't even respect the blood his ancestors share to protect the golden stew. On a nanum codin dear con, ye mojaya shugu. Dear Bossike Jacob, my Dumasi assassin, near Word Dumasi assassin. So, or by him, we know nothing. We never say, I doubt so making company. Disgracing your own nanum. O ma Bobby Biho Bado Mokrato Hama, and Nabajina at the Tavasa. Asana was an wrong, Cornoco Shiasa. Nimsa, Cornoco Shiasa by him. Who born in there? You don't even respect your own.
Musa, and deep in Common Musa. Ah, on so ye denchani. Not to talk to Tumsa, but take man Mina no so a better Puma. Or better Puma no chichre, Neman, I have friend of Tomasi. Ah, not. Or Johanna, a weapon in office Secretiano, no Secretiano.
A weapon answer assassin for the Sa na mo beka fe prede. Fe pre for onum ba ye no awade Dumase. Ukro no ketua bi na ye e wodumase susi no kuro bibire. Ti ye de na wo man krofo asase na wo de wo mpe bebi antane. Ayere na wo sie so man krofo asase na wa mo akunya amfa ama wo mu. Sane be ya amamre ne amane fritete. Obo kontre obi ote wasase bia na obi a woni na beka bom bia no obo konwa de man enti edai na fie pri e wodumase bia nhye wo wase de the rather ebile bi etwom na ahye wo mase. This is kidding. Are you too funny? One story like this are told in online. Are you so funny to the extent say interpretation wise no you find it very difficult to understand. Mami, enyai papa yi na me kase me ye ne bibia ene me nkone enya de amako
Abamnyako on the trail also the forbearance of the Akan chieftaincy system in Ghana.
Look at
the
this.
Fono and the Akwamu.
Look at this.
My country page 18.
Look at
also
this.
The Fono man emerged in the 11th century.
Hey!
Located south of Blackwater, Nekrundafo.
Hey, mane. Obi buku na onu achoro no. Onya ho bridi. Say, abenya ko say, eburu man emerge 11th century e ovuta. E ovuta oh. Buta. Oh, I see. You was a little bit of that story. The boom. Early 1410, 1411. And in 1450, they landed in there. That's a story like very funny power. And then I can't follow so shapes baby. Me call. Ai miura wasi ade kunfia me enti me nko for me ko ha betwins mbibire aba we so omuyi me nyi ne se wura kunfia me ya woni mo kra enti me nko agenda kwa ensam tese. So with all due respect, thank you very much. Say wase wo brain wadache edi amame. I appreciate it. And then may God bless you. Say onya wadache di amame. Nyame adom no ma yeda hofra. Ye besai ababishia. Ase menya cold kakra. Ye fene say who run up papa. What da fifi to say chom. It will be ana amame hwe etwetwe. Ade amempe mfifiri bet. Oye de ya betu. Enti mesere mo se medamase. Nyame hira mo. Mo bra mo nya ye bia no. Many so I really content about every single minute you spend to listen to me. I appreciate it. And I'm glad I have all of you as a family. All the time we shares our knowledge, our skills, our ideas, and then we share also our coordinations, and then also our thoughts together. May Almighty Creator bless you and then be with you and protect you and your family. I wish you all the best, and we will meet again definitely. Me feel performance. How you gonna be sharing? Bye bye. When I was saying, I reach out.